In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to hit Apps section available here. That's because this OnePlus allows you to clone apps using App Cloner in its settings. So hit App Cloner here and either tap on one of recommended apps right away or tap on other apps to see all available to clone. Pick one, hit gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my app was successfully cloned. But before you exit those settings, you can always rename App Clone and save its name here. And also click on Default App to Open section to pick one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. Now, if you ever want to delete your cloned app, you can do that like you would any other one. Or you can go back to the same section in your settings and use now blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Either way, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!